Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the GCash security notice that says Accessibility Service Detected. Please disable it in Settings to continue. So if you're stuck and can't open your GCash app because of this message, just follow along step by step and we'll fix it together. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Next, tap on Accessibility. Inside the Accessibility menu, look for Downloaded Apps and tap on it. Here, you'll see this option, and it will probably say On. Tap on it. Now, simply turn off the toggle to disable it. If you see any confirmation pop up, tap Turn Off or Stop to confirm. After disabling it, go back and make sure it shows Off under Downloaded Apps. Once you're done, go back to your GCash app and open it again. You should now see that the security notice is gone, and the app is working normally. And that's it. That's how you fix the Accessibility Service Detected error on GCash. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy fixes.